If you want to learn how to create a motion capture video, then this is the right video for you, because in this video I'm going to be showing you the work process of how you can use an AI website, Clo3D, and Blender in creating your own AI animation or 3D animation video. Before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more videos. So this is the AI website you can see on your screen right now. So I will show you the pricing. Though they have a free version, this is the pricing. There is the free version, which is 50 V coin monthly. We have the starter, which is 9.9 USD, that's $9.9 per month, and also the 49.9 USD per month. So you can also select the annual. So this is the price for the annual subscription. But let's move to the main tutorial. So I'm going to click on launch Quickmagic, and let me sign into my account. So you select upload. So when you select upload, you can use any clip you have, any clip you want to use as your motion capture. You can just upload it here. So I'm going to select this, import a video file, and I'm going to select this video. This video I downloaded it from TikTok, and then confirm. So let's wait for it to analyze the video. And the next thing is that I'm going to select this row detection. So it's going to detect rows. So while waiting for it, it might take a while to do this. So while waiting for this, I think what I'll do next is to go to Blender. So this is my Blender. I'm using Blender 4.2. I'm going to delete everything in the scene. So I'm going to be using Dash 3D character. You can use any character of your choice, it doesn't matter, but I'm going to use Dash 3D character in this process. Sorry. So I'm going to select N. I'm going to look for my Dash to Blender. So let me look for it here. So, okay, I think I've skipped it. Okay, yeah, this is it here. So this is it, and I'm going to select import new Genesis figure. So let me wait for it to load. Let's check back again if row detection is still on. Okay, yeah. So, and I'm going to select confirm. So what row detection does is that it creates this should I say this portrait, this, should I call it portrait, anyhow, this shape around the character, so that it's trying to tell you that, oh, this is the character you want to copy or you want to motion capture. Let me put it like that. So let's confirm it. So this is it. You can see the shape around the video. So the next thing I'm going to use is this Mixamo. But we have other options there. You can see there's UAE, there's only face UE, Unreal Engine, there's Unreal 4, there's VMD, there's BIP. You can see this. So depending on where you want to use it or what you want to use it for. So I'm going to select Mixamo. So this is what I'm going to select. So one thing you should note that if you are going to be using Mixamo, you need to subscribe to the premium version. The free version only has this girl FBX and boy FBX, and I don't think you might be able to use it for what you want to use it as a 3D animator. So I think Mixamo is more easier and it's smooth. So I can assure you that this is one of the best software you can use for motion capture. So what you need to do is to drag this and put it on the video. So when you are done with that, the next thing you do is to select next step. You can just rename it, maybe TikTok dance. Yes, you get TikTok dance, and you can select generate now. So video upload in progress. So let's go back to Blender. So these are that 3D character. You can see. So this is it. So let me see. Okay, that's deleted. Then we can delete these two. Let me see. Okay, you can delete these two. So then you select delete hierarchy. Yes, I will delete these two. Okay, so I think we have this like this. So that's fine. We are good to go. So Let me go back to this to check what's going on. Okay, so it's already converting or the video is being processed. So when I select this, you see something like the video is being made, please wait. So we can use that one to finish up our character. So okay. So the next thing for us to do is to export this file as FBX. So I'm going to select this and select this, then select file, select export, and select where is FBX? FBX. I'm going to go through this and go to tutorial, yes, and let me see Timmy. Let me just put Timmy 1. Yes, and I'm going to select limit to selected object. Yeah, so I think we are good. Then export FBX. Then I'm going to go here, open your mixamo.com. Then I'm going to select upload character. Then select file. Then I'm going to upload this Timmy 1 and select open. So let me just skip this upload process. So we have it loading right now. So let our character appear before we move to the next stage. Okay, yeah, this is what happens when you upload as FBX. So the next thing I'll do is select next. And we're going to follow this instruction here to place our marker on the body of the character. So I'm going to just be using my I don't know. I don't think this is. Let me do it a bit. Yep, I think it's fine. Let's use it on the wrist. Yeah, not bad. And we're going to go to the elbow. And we're going to go to the knee. And the groin. Okay, and select next. So it's loading. So now we have our character fully rigged. So select next, and we are going to download this as t-pose. So let's wait for it. So download and t-pose. Yeah, download. So it's downloading. So let me just go back to Blender, do this. Then I'm going to create another collection, name it new character. Yeah, so I think that's fine and we are good. I think, yeah, it's done downloading. So let's select file, let's select import, let's select FBX, and let's go to download, and this Timmy 1 FBX. Yeah, so let's turn this one that has material on its body, or this character that has material. I'm going to turn it off. So I think this is it. Yes, so let's add material to this new character on t-pose. So let me select out and select in. So select the character, go back to the shader. This is the shader here, material. So go to the material. So we're going to add materials one by one. So this is the first one, which is the fabrics for Genesis 9 fingernail. You get. So select this drop down and look for the one that has the same name with the materials we are selecting, or with the material you're selecting, sorry. So you do this for everything. So I'll just skip this part. Just select, this is toenail, and you see toenail, yeah, select it like that. So when you're done with that, you can select the pants too, or the boxers, or actually, yeah, boxers. So This is trim. Select trim. Yeah. Pants. And, yeah. Waistband. Yeah. And we can go to the highs too. So select this. Eye moisture left. This is eye moisture left. So yeah. So this is the left. Eye left. Okay, we have the tears here around this edge too. Yeah. So and the lashes. Select the lashes. Lower and upper. Yes. So we fully added material to our new this thing. So our new character. So let's go back to this. I'm going back to Quickmagic to see if it's still, let me see, is it still processing? Yeah, it's still processing. So let's select it. Quickmagic is loading. So this is it. Can you see this? Can you see this? Yeah. Can you see this? Yeah. Yeah, this is cool, Sha. So let's select download and let's move to the interesting part. So this is our zip file. Let me copy this. I've opened the zip file. Let me open the zip file. So TikTok dance Mixamo. Yes, Control C and select this. Let me go to, I want to go to tutorial dance. TikTok dance, sorry. Oh no, not yet. Yeah, tutorial. Okay, let's paste it here. TikTok dance Mixamo. So let's go back to Blender. I'm going to select collection because I want to upload it in the collection. I'm going to select file. I'm going to select import, and I'm going to select FBX. Then we'll go back to this, go back to Simon, go back to tutorial, and go back to TikTok dance. Yes. So see what we have in here. So let's pull this up. Let me just go back a bit. So let me just drag this through so you can see what I'm saying. So this is it. Okay. So let's start from the beginning. So there are some things you will notice. You cannot see the bone too. I'm sorry, you can't see the bone. Yes. And also we are going to change the pose. So I'm going to change it to rest pose first. So we can't see the bone. Okay, so so this is what we call viewport display, and let me see. Okay, the bones are here, but we have to just put it in front. So select in front if you want to see the bone of the Mixamo character you just exported. So this is it. So in front, you will select this out. So there is a problem we do face. You will face anytime you are using motion capture. It doesn't matter if it's Quickmagic or not Quickmagic. You get, so you always face this problem, which is the rest pose. Now you can see this character rest pose. The character we the animation we exported from, or we downloaded from Quickmagic. The rest pose is this. This is this. Rest pose is this. And I know most of us probably when we get character, when you use Mixamo character, the rest pose is always still A pose. And the reason why I took it to Mixamo was to get a rest pose of T pose, not A pose, but it's still giving me A pose as rest pose. And if you have issues like this, or if you have situations like this, your retargeting is going to be very, very bad. You won't get the result you are looking for, because the rest pose of this Quickmagic series here is T pose, while the rest pose of the character we want to put the animation on is A pose. So this is what you're going to do. You need to download the cat plugin. The cat plugin, it's on GitHub. The link will be available in the description box. So let me show you the plugin here. So it's an add-on. So what you do is edit, preference, a very small file, I think about something kilobytes here. So The moment you download it, this is the unofficial cat plugin. So this is it. So when you check it here, you should see it. Yeah, so I'll just select N on my keyboard and I'm going to select this drop down. Sorry. So this is the cat plugin here. So let me just hide this Mixamo. Sorry, I said Mixamo. Let me just hide this Quickmagic animation we just brought in. So okay, it's here. So I'm going to hide this. So where's the cat plugin? So this is it. And so when you select this, you select rest, make sure you are on rest position, select start pose. Yeah, so do this. So if I'm selecting the right, okay. So yeah, there's also a mistake I made now. So let me undo. So the amateur that is selected is the bone for the Quickmagic, not the bone for the character itself. So I'm trying to undo this, so let me just stop this. So let me stop this and select this. This is what I want to use. So I'm going to change it to this amateur, which is the new character amateur, and I'm going to select start pose. Yes. So when you select start pose, it's going to take you directly to pose mode. I'm going to put this in front. I'm going to select this bone, and I'm going to do like this. Since I want a T pose, I'm going to do this too. I'm going to do like this. Yeah, so let me go back. So yeah, this is fine. Can adjust it the way you feel is okay as your T pose. And the thing we will do is the thing we are going to do is to apply it as rest pose. So you can see, so when I select this, you can see pose rest, you can see all around. So if you want to confirm again, you can go to edit mode. When you go to edit mode, if it doesn't go back to a pose, that means you've gotten, sorry, what's this? So this is the rest pose and this is the pose, so it doesn't really matter. Doesn't matter. So our rest position are equal. So so what we need to do next is to retarget. So we're going to be using the Rococo plugin to retarget our animation. So still leave it at the rest position. So let me turn this on back. So the guy is dancing already. So let's set this to 1. I don't know why this whole thing is the timeline. So I want to set it, I want to see the actual. So okay, let me select like 1200. Yes, so I need to know the keyframe of this. Yeah, so this is the first and this is the second one. So tab mode. Sorry, not tab mode, control tab. So A, okay. I just want to be sure of the total number of frames. So frame is a lot. So okay, I think 1.2 is fine. Let me just leave it at 1200. Yeah, so okay, so okay, let's do this. Let me just set it back to the rest position, both sides. Control tab again to go back to object mode. And we are going to be using the Rococo plugin. I'll be dropping the link to, sorry, the Rococo add-on you get. It's for retargeting to something like Auto Rig Pro. So I'll be using this to retarget. So let's select the retargeting. So our source is this Quickmagic, this Quickmagic. So select the Quickmagic bone, which is amateur 001, and the one we want to target it to is the amateur one. Yeah, so this is it. And what you do is to select build bone list. So when you select build bone list, you see all these things retargeting all the bones. So let me just scroll down and you select retarget animation. So you can see it's my cursor is counting some digits, so let's wait for it to retarget. So we are done retargeting. So if I pull this, you can see, or let me just hide, you can even see they are syncing. So let me just turn this one off so you can see this. So this is it, 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 this is it. So you can see this, you can see this. So the only issue you might face most time when you do motion capture is probably part of the body entering inside each other. So let me see this. Coming. So you can just scroll through. You can see something like this. You can see this. You can see this. So let me see again. Let me remove the in front so you can see perfectly. You can see. So situations like this, there are two ways you can do this. Not two ways actually, just one way. You have to use your graphic editor. You just have to clean it up. So what I'll do is to select this. I'm going to select graph editor, sorry, and select in front so that I can see the bone I want to select. I don't know. Okay, and I'll select Control Tab to take me to pose mode, and I'm going to drag this down and okay, and hide all this and just start selecting one of them to see which one is the right one. Let me see. So when I select, I'll turn this W quaternion rotation. Yeah, I'm going to select G. Make sure your mouse is on the timeline. Select G and select Y. Drag it up. You can hold on Shift to be slow with it. Oh, sorry, GY. Hold on Shift, pull it up. Coming. Let me see this. Okay, this is not what I'm looking for. Control Z, yes. So I'll turn this off and check the other next one, and I'll move G, Y, hold on Shift, and yeah, I think this is what I'm looking for. So I don't know how. Okay, so the thing is, I have to just distance this thing away from this. So let me just select I think GY again and hold on Shift so that it can be slow or be smooth with it. So yeah, so let's pull this again. Okay, I'm seeing some issue with the, so let's set this to coming. So I want to set this. I think there's a little bit so I'm going to do the same thing. So scroll to this and can't see this clear, so let me select this and GY. So no, this is not what I'm looking for. So turn off this and select this and GY. Okay, yeah. So okay, this is better. You can see this is better. So you can do all the cleanup. What you just need to do is you just need to drag through and look at any cleanup, anything you need to like change there. You can just do this, follow the same procedure. So this is how I clean up mockup videos. Yeah, so select timeline. Yeah, so comment. So let me just pull through to see if there's any. Okay, I think I'm seeing something. Yeah, yeah, yes, there's something else here. Yeah, we have to move this to the side. I think I need to go back again. So graphic editor. So I'll just keep doing this. I have to keep doing this. So since we are not using an actual like instrument, I be an actual motion capture body equipment or body, yes. So let me see. Don't think it's this. So gone. So I don't want to drag it too far. Let me see. Okay. So let me do this. In front. And let me see, I'm selected this. Okay. So if you have a scene that is less busy, or a video, or a video that is less busy, you might not be doing much of this. Probably more like a gesture or a simple animation, not a dance video. So I'm coming. So G. I'm sorry. Oh, mistake. GY. Okay, I think we are good to go. So let's go back to our timeline, and let's go back to, let me turn this off. Yeah, we'll go back to the beginning. Yes, so this is what happened in the beginning. So I'm going to go back to rest position. Yep. So we have this here. The next thing I will do is to, yeah, we can go to Sketchfab. If you want to download shoe, you can go to Sketchfab to download shoe, or let me check my, I think I have some shoes I can use on this character. So file, import. I'm not sure of the file name, if the LBG or FBX. Let me start with FBX. Okay, FBX. Yeah, so skateboard, sneaker one, yes. Source. It's not FBX. Let's go back to OBJ. 5. Yeah, X, sorry, import. Where's OBJ? Yes. And let me go to sneaker one. Source. Which one of these? 5. Import. FBX. Sneaker one. Source. Sneaker two. Source. So none of it is OBJ. What is going on? File import. Let's check I'm check GLTF. Yeah, so sneaker one. Okay, we have this. Okay, so this is the issue I'll be using. Okay, I'm coming. Control shift. Ew. Yeah, let's. I want to see this. Okay, let me just name it Dio. So R X, I think minus 90. Sorry, Z. Sorry, R Z minus 90. Yes, and we're going to scale this down. So scale it. Yeah. GZ GY. Yeah, okay. And GX. So GZ. So just keep adjusting it until it fits in the character leg. Okay. Okay, GY. Okay. Let me scale it on x-axis. Yeah, repeat. Let me see this. Not too much. Okay. SX. Coming. Okay. Let me check if this is fine. Okay. Okay. So the next thing we can do to fill up all these spaces is select the shoe. Go to sculpt mode. I'll be using these two. Let me just increase the size a bit. See. So come to we're just going to drag this. Just see this. Let's cover up. So do the same thing here. Yeah, so and we can go back to object mode. So this is just it. The next thing we'll do again is to mirror. Let me just put this off here. So select the issue, select the modifier, select add modifier, select search, select is there mirror? Yeah, mirror modifier. Then we select this. Yep, so we have our both side. Yeah, so that's what you need to do. Okay, so when we are done, you can just apply. Control A is to apply. So I'm going to select this, then go to tab mode. Then let me just select this front axis. I'm going to turn this on. So if L does not select it, I'm just going to drag this out. Just drag the box, select all, just one part of the issue or one pair, or just a. So select this. So select these two, then just drag probably the left or the right shoe so that you can select all the vertices you get. So and press P on your keyboard, click on selection. Yes, so let's go back to tab mode. So you can see we've already separated both of them. All we just need to do is to separate both of them. So the next thing we're going to do is to rig the shoe, or you should parent the shoe to the bone. So let me select this bone. Sorry, select bone and select this and select in front. So I need to parent it to these three bones. So what I'll do is to select this shoe first, then select this bone, then select Control Tab. Again, when you select Control Tab, you can also switch here if you don't know the shortcut. Control Tab is the shortcut from object mode to post mode. So then select this, hold on Shift 1, 2, 3, and select Control P and select bone. So we'll do that. Go back to select Control Tab again, go back to object mode, select this one, select the bone, hold on Shift to select the bone, then Control Tab, then select out, then hold on Shift, select this, select this, select this, Control P and select bone and Control Tab back. So let's change back to pose. You can see, so follow through, you can see everything, the whole movement. Let me hide this so that we can have a better view. So you can see the shoe is following the movement and everything. You can see this. So this is what we have here. So the next thing is taking this thing to Clo3D. So I'm going to take this thing to Clo3D. So so let's take this to Clo3D. So I'm going to start from the beginning. Start with the rest pose, which is the T pose. So we're going to select all this now. So this is what we have. Select from this. Make sure you select from this amateur everything down to the you select it down to the shoe. Yeah, select file, select export, select obj. Okay, and let me just open a new folder. Let me see, let me just delete this. Delete. Yeah, so yeah, tutorial. So what I'll just do is I'll select this, I'll save this as T-pose. Only make sure this selection only is staged, then export wavefront obj. Okay, so I'm going to save another one again too. So let me go back to this and rest pose. Yes, file and export as obj. I can save this as first frame. First frame. then export wavefront obj, and then we have to save this whole animation as alembic. So export alembic tutorial. Let me just put it dance. Okay, and include this. Just tick this so and click on export alembic. So we have this. So the next thing you need to do is to open Blender. So the next thing you need to do is to open your Clo3D. Then we're going to import our character. So let's select file, import obj. Okay, we have Simon. Yes. So let's tutorial. Yeah. And select the T-pose first. Add and select OK. Select OK. Yeah, so we have our character on screen. So I'm just going to make this quick and fast. So fabric, sorry, garment, like this, rest project. Let's not select something random. I'll just pull this through. So simulate. So next I'll do is look for a shirt. And let me turn this simulation of square laggy so we can just I thought I turned this off. Yeah, so I'm going to drag this, just add, select add and select OK. Okay, I'm going to drag this, pull this out, then rotate this and just put it here. Yes, rotate this. Okay. Okay, so okay, let me just simulate this how it goes. So let me just increase the layer of these two to 1. Okay, select. Yeah, so that is fine. So uh 0. Okay, and so okay, stop simulation. I'm going to change the fabric. Let me select mix. I'm going to select knit theory. Yes, so the rest should go with knit theory. So okay, so we have this, and I'll just reduce the particle distance to probably let's say 7. So the next thing you need to do is to arrange this properly on your UV map, which I have done already. So this is my UV editor, and this is it here. You can see properly arranged just on 2 tiles. So just do that on your own, and I'm going to go back to simulation. So there is quite a bit of bug with Clo 2024 because it doesn't animate. I don't know, it just stops animating character that are not from Clo3D. You get, but if your character is from Clo3D and your animation is from Clo3D, then it's going to animate properly. But if I'm using an outside character like this, that's the character I'm using here, it won't animate properly. You get, I don't know if anybody is facing this, but if you know how to fix it, let me know. Though I figured out my own way to fix it, but it's a very long journey. So but then I will show it in this video. So what I'll do next is to morph it. So let's select file, select export, I'm sorry, import, and select obj, then select first frame, add. Oh, I'm not supposed to do this here. I'm supposed to do this when I select animation. That's the only way it works properly on Clo 2024. I'm only doing this because it's Clo 2024. You don't need to open animation tab before you do this. So obj, first frame, add morph target. Yes. Okay, select okay. With this transition from that post to this post, I don't know if it's going to be possible with Clo. So sometimes I just have to, I think I'm just going to just manually adjust the clothes to this post. Okay, let me just delete this. I'll delete this just, sorry, do I need to delete it? Actually, I don't really need to delete this. So, okay, I don't really need to delete this. So yeah, I'll delete the morph. Let me see if it's not going to delete the post. Yes, so I'll just go back to simulation and just do it my own way. because of the whole shrinking. So I'm going to select all the clothes and I'm going to rotate it. Let me see. Okay, so just rotate it. Yeah, sometimes you don't need to follow the actual step, just do it your own way. So well, it's not going to be easy, but I just have to do it like this. So okay. Okay. Let me start with the shirt. So but I just have to make sure these ones are one. The layers are on one. So you have to always be, don't show this again. I might not really need this because I don't want this to enter inside here. So I'm just change this to 0. So okay, and okay. Let me save this first and then simulate. We'll save this. So let me simulate and see how it's going to go. Anyway, this is what we have. So let me see. Let me just change this to stick stick textured surface and turn off simulation. Yeah, so this is what we have, and I would have exported or sorry imported my animation here, but it's not going to work properly. So most time I use Marvelous Designer to do that. So let me save this again. So I'm going to be opening Marvelous Designer to do the animation, which is the final process before we export it back to just the clothes to Blender. So where's my Marvelous Designer? This Marvelous Designer is also 2024 too, so I'm going to open this, and I open this file there because they use the same file format. Not seeing anything coming. Okay, showing. So file, or let me just select Control O. I have to look for TikTok dance. TikTok. Yeah. Open. So we have this. I'm going to be deleting this. Yeah. So backspace to delete. File, import, Alembic. Where's tutorial, and this is the dance, and just open this, and we select add. So select add, and okay. So importing animation. Let me skip this. So this is what we have here. So we are done importing our animation. So you don't need to go through this process if you are not using Clo 2024. If you are using 7.3, you can just do everything on Clo3D. You don't need to open Blender. It's still the same process. Just delete the obj file and import the Alembic, which is the animation, and then to just appear as the pose, since we've converted the t-pose to the first frame of the animation, you get. So that is why we are doing all these processes. So this is what we have, and I think we are good to go. Nothing. So what you just need to do is to select this animation. Okay, first we need to switch this to fitting accurate fabric, because on this is what they call animation stable. So, and this is what we need when we want to animate this character with the clothes. So it's like this, and you can see. So select animation and select record. That's just it. It's going to take a long while, so I'll be what will I do? I'm going to skip this part. So now that our animation is done, the next thing for me to do is to export it to Blender, but I have to export it as Alembic. So let me just show you a beam. So this is, go to start, you can see, and sorry, go to end. Yeah, so this is what we had. So this is what we have. So let me just go to file, let me go to export, come Alembic. Yeah, and so we have shirt dance. Let's click on save. Yes, Ogawa, take, diffuse and normal map, and select OK. Also, since we are exporting as LMB, let us also go and export the texture, sorry, the map, and still the texture, the editor. Then go to bake, yeah, 4K. Yeah, let's save it here. Or let me just say clothes. Yeah, okay, diffuse normal, and we can select save. So we are just going to wait for, it to export it on, you can see on Marvelous Designer. So we are done exporting our cloth animation. So let us go to Blender, and let's select file. Let's select let me just, yeah, file, import, what else, Alembic, then tutorial, shut down, so select. So we have this, okay. So let's add so let us add our material. New, select this. So I'm coming. Control Shift T. Tutorial. The system said, oh shit, this thing is lagging already. But then I'll finish this. So okay, it does work. Okay. Okay. So and okay. So we have this here. I selected the four textures. So I'm going to change. Let me select this first. So go back and select the diffuse and select 1, 2, and open image. And yeah, UDIM is done. Yeah. So coming. We'll do the same thing to the normals too. 1, hold on your shift and select this too. Yeah. Okay. Change its color space to non-color. I'm going to reduce the roughness, or sorry, increase the roughness to 0.8. So I'm going to go back to layout. So let me just drag this and see how it looks like. Okay, let's look at. So this is just how you can create motion capture with the Quickmagic AI, then send it to Blender, then you can put clothes on your character with Clo3D. So this is just the workflow. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more videos.